There it comes again. You see it? What is that? Bobcat, that's right. I guess it's a mini excavator, maybe. We'll have to ask Waylon. Look at that. He's picking up the snow. You see, he's picking up the snow, and then he's turning around. And he's going to carry the snow over there. Yeah, the snow. That's right, the snow. Well, he's kind of getting stuck. Did he get stuck? Oh, my goodness. Oh, he's stuck in the snow. How is he going to get out? Oh, he's going to push himself back.
Baba.
Look at that, Bobcat. Did you see that? You like that? You want to make his little face? Look at him pointing.
Baba.
Bobcat. Whoa, look at that. Look, he's going to pick up the snow again. Oh, he turns around. Whoa, look at him plow through the snow.
Baba.
Bobcat. Yeah, he's going to pile it up over there. Yep, I see. Are you pointing? Yeah. Whoa, look at that. Oh, is he stuck? Gotta get out. There he goes. Look at that. That's so cool. Yeah. Yeah. I know. Look at that. Yeah. He's gonna go get more snow.
No.
More. That's right. More snow. That's right. More snow. He's gonna take it back.
No.
More, that's right. More snow. Oh, he's gonna dump it over there. Oh. That's very cool. Isn't that? Yep. Yep. Oh, did you get the kids sledding?